Hi, for those who are new to our channel, I'm Marcus. Today I'm going to share with you concept of price trading methodology. Price action is the basis of all our strategies because price always takes the lead. Regardless of what indicators you're using, it's always lagging in terms of price movement. So using price action is a true reflection of what the market is trading at that particular point in time. Because we use different volume-based chart, it allows us to see the medium trend, a long-term trend, allowing us to take trades and ride along with the bigger movements. We use volume-based candlestick instead of time-based candlestick. Now, what's the difference between these two? Let me give you an example. Okay, this is a time-based chart, okay, where every single bar is defined by a fixed moment in time. So, for example, if I use a 5-minute bar, every single bar represents 5 minutes in time. In order for the next bar to appear, 5 minutes must elapse. Right? So can you see that if you are using a time-based chart like this, within these 5 minutes, price can be pretty volatile. It can move up quite a bit even. So let's say in this case here, it has moved up about 5 points. Now what's the difference with a volume candlestick? Now a volume candlestick is not time dependent. It's dependent on the number of contracts which has been transacted. So let's say I'm using a V100 chart. So every single bar will represent 100 contracts which has been bought or sold, transacted at that point in time. In order for the next bar to appear, 100 contracts must have been transacted. So because it's more reflective and more indicative and more sensitive to the price itself, the market condition, the range between each bar is usually pretty short. It could be 1 point, it could be 2 points. Okay, in this case here, it's about 1 point. All right. Now, using on the chart, I'm going to show you the difference between a time-based and a volume-based chart. So let's say from 9:30 to 11:30, which is 2-hour time period which we trade. Okay, if I'm using a 5-minute time-based chart like this, right, in 2 hours I will have 24 bars. But if I'm using a volume-based chart, okay, within the same 2-hour period, 9:30 to 11:30, I have actually more than 250 bars. This allows me to see more details, okay, allowing me to capture more entry opportunities. Okay, over here is a chart. It's a 2-hour chart capture. Okay, from 9:30 to 11:30, and on this night itself, we have 6 entry opportunities. So each of this box indicated on the chart itself are actually entry opportunities for us within a 2-hour time period. So using a volume-based chart, you can see that we actually have more entry opportunities compared to a time-based chart. Okay. Thank you for watching our channel. Okay, let us know what topics you would like to see. Okay, and we'll try to accommodate it in future videos coming up. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. Okay, click on the notification bell below as well. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.